Newer toilets are worth upgrading because they deliver measurable gains in water efficiency, flushing performance, user comfort, and long-term maintenance savings. Modern toilets that are worth choosing combine a high-efficiency flush with design elements that reduce clogs and simplify cleaning. Look for a canister valve flush instead of a traditional flapper because the canister lifts fully and creates a more powerful, uniform flush that clears waste with less chance of partial evacuation. Pair that with a high-efficiency flush rated to use 1.25 gallons per flush or less to save water without sacrificing performance. Check for manufacturer performance data or third-party testing rather than marketing claims. For quieter, more user-friendly operation, pick a quiet close seat which prevents slamming and reduces wear on the seat and bowl. These seats usually have integrated bumpers and slow-closing hinges that you can install with 1 or 2 hand movements. Consider skirted bowl designs which hide the trapway for easier surface cleaning and a sleeker profile that reduces crevices where dirt accumulates. They also make wiping down the exterior faster. Choose wax-free seals or advanced bolt or bolt-free attachment systems if you want easier removal and reinstall for basement or bathroom remodel access, and these systems reduce the risk of messy wax ring failures and simplify replacement. Finally, evaluate materials and glazing quality because a higher quality vitreous, china, and durable glaze resist staining and mineral buildup, extending the period between deep cleans and reducing reliance on harsh chemicals. Homeowners often expect every new toilet to eliminate clogs, but undersized trapways and weak flushing geometry still cause issues, so confirm actual flush volume and trapway diameter before buying. If you have frequent clogging, opt for a canister model with a larger trapway. A second common mistake is assuming all quiet closed seats fit every bowl. Measure bolt spacing and read the seat installation instructions, and if in doubt, order the seat that the manufacturer recommends to avoid returns. Third, people forget installation access and choose wax rings by habit, which complicates future removal. Instead, select a wax-free seal or bolt-free attachment when you anticipate moving, servicing, or frequent underfloor access, because they allow clean removal and reseating without replacing a wax ring. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors that match their project needs and budget, while also helping contractors find steady work in their service area. We host a community discussion forum where users and professionals share real-world experiences, installation tips, and model-specific feedback to help make confident buying decisions.